This is Peter of Pete's Guide. Today is just a very quick update about the Trevor Jacobs plane crash video analysis. First up, a quick summary of all of the better known and lesser known keyboard shortcuts that you can use to view YouTube videos frame by frame, fast forward, fast backwards, etc. Here's the normal view of YouTube in the web browser. Notice the red ellipse highlighting the mini player. Pressing the I key will toggle back and forth between the mini player and the normal view, just like this. Here's the mini player, which you can use to watch the video in real time while you're scrolling through your history, playlists, etc. And now back to the regular player. Next up is theater mode, which gives you more screen real estate for the video without the playlist on the right, but still some of the comments and other controls at the bottom. Looks like this, and you can toggle to this and back and forth with the T key, T for theater mode. And now let's go back to the regular player. Okay, the last key shortcut that's shown on the regular video player is F for full screen, and it looks like this. This is probably the best mode for y'all to be in because it gives you the greatest number of pixels, ensures that the keyboard focus remains on the video player, which lets you navigate with all of the key shortcuts that I'm about to share. The first magic key is Shift question mark. Shift question mark brings up this display. Here are most of the keyboard shortcuts that the YouTube web player offers, but this isn't all of them, so look at that scroll bar on the right down and you'll find these. So in the lower left corner there are the controls for subtitles and closed captions. So C will toggle them on and off. The others let you adjust the size and the transparency. And so we can probably ignore those, as we can ignore the ones on the right. But that's still not all of the keyboard shortcuts that are available. There's another web page on the YouTube site that lists additional ones. I've copied some of the most interesting ones here on the lower right side of the screen, but I think we can do better than this. Okay, here's my revised simplified list. Use these keys if you wish to navigate slowly. In particular, notice the comma and period keys can be used to step backward and forward one frame at a time. And then if you hold Shift down and type the comma and period, you can change the playback rate while playing. Now use these keys if you wish to navigate really, very quickly, fast, schnell. And now I'm going to present a few numbers that I think you might find interesting. I'll just let them speak for themselves without further comment. And if you've been looking at 156 plus videos on this topic, maybe you might want to relax with a few good smiles.